Welcome to learning Microsoft Excel from very scratch level to the mastery level. So in this journey, I am along with you to become masters in Microsoft Excel. But before we will dive into learning Microsoft Excel, first we will understand what is Microsoft Excel. So Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program which allows users to enter the numerical values or data into the rows or column of a spreadsheet, and this data can be used for the various purposes, such as for the purpose of calculations, graph, statistical analysis, and so on. Now we will understand in which domain the Microsoft Excel widely used. As we know, this is the one of the widest used program or software globally from the Microsoft. So Microsoft Excel is widely used to perform analysis and to organize the data in a proper manner. So in which domain this software has been used? Microsoft Excel has been used for the purpose of data entry, data management, accounting, financial analysis, charting, graphing, programming, time management, task management, financial modeling, customer relationship management, and so many other disciplines, domains as well. So join with me to learn the Microsoft Excel from very scratch level to the master level.